To load into the Radius 2 on a PC or laptop, start by downloading Steam, an app that allows you to buy, download, install, and play games. To do this, type Steam into Google and go to the first website that appears. Then click Install Steam at the top of the page and select your platform. For Windows, this will download the Steam setup, which you can then open and follow the installation prompts, including selecting your language and destination folder. Once Steam is installed, open the app and either log in or create an account by following the on-screen instructions. Next, navigate to the Store section and use the search bar to find Into the Radius 2 Inches. Click on the game, then scroll down and click Add to Cart. Be aware that this game requires a VR headset to play, so ensure you have the necessary equipment before proceeding. After adding the game to your cart, view your cart and select For My Account to continue to the payment process. Choose your payment method from the drop-down menu and complete the checkout process to purchase the game. Once the game is purchased, it will be added to your Steam library, which you can access by clicking Library and then Games on the left. Click the big blue Install button to start the installation process, and select whether you want to create a desktop shortcut and choose a drive to install the game on. After installation is complete, you will receive a notification from Steam, and you can launch the game by clicking the green Play button.